Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a review of the BestMassage Multipurpose Massage Table. This adjustable folding massage bed is designed for a variety of uses, from salon treatments to home massages and even tattoo work. So if you're looking for a versatile, sturdy massage table, let's see if this one checks all the boxes. Product overview. This massage bed measures 74 inches long, providing ample space for different treatments. It features an adjustable backrest, which can tilt from 65 degrees to 180 degrees, and the footrest is adjustable between 0 degrees to 50 degrees, offering a high degree of flexibility for both client comfort and professional ease. The frame itself is built with reinforced metal and support cables, allowing it to hold up to 450 pounds. The cushion surface is covered in durable PU leather that's soft, easy to clean, and free from any unpleasant chemical smells that you might encounter with cheaper synthetic options. The bed is marketed as multifunctional, meaning it can be used for massages, facials, tattoos, and other beauty treatments. Real-world testing and usage experience. As someone who's worked in beauty and wellness, I can tell you that a good massage table makes a world of difference when you're performing treatments. The adjustable features on this table are a standout. The backrest adjusts smoothly, allowing clients to easily switch from a lying down to a seated position. The footrest adjustment is also a game changer, letting clients find their ideal position for a more personalized experience. Setting it up was a breeze. The assembly was simple, and all the hardware was well organized and clearly labeled. As for comfort, the high-density sponge cushions feel firm, yet plush enough for longer sessions. I was pleasantly surprised by how comfortable it was, especially considering its strength. While it's cushioned, it doesn't feel like the softness will compromise its ability to withstand heavier weights. In terms of usability, the table is very stable, even with the adjustability features. I tested it during a full-body massage session, and it didn't wobble or feel insecure at all. It also held up well during a facial session and a quick tattoo touch-up, thanks to its solid build. Pros and cons. Let's get into the positives. Adjustability. The flexibility in both the backrest and footrest gives you a lot of positioning options for different treatments, which is a huge plus for both professional use and home care. Comfort. The high-density sponge is supportive without being too firm. It provides a nice balance of comfort for clients during long sessions. Sturdiness. This table is built to last. The reinforced metal frame is solid and can hold up to 450 pounds, which is ideal for heavier clients or more demanding treatments. Now let's talk about a couple of areas that could use improvement. Size. At 74 inches long, it might be too large for certain spaces, particularly if you have a smaller treatment room. Weight. While it's sturdy, it's a bit heavy to move around if you're frequently relocating your equipment. However, this is the trade-off for the added durability. Value for money. When you compare this to other tables in its category, the BestMassage Multipurpose Massage Table offers great value for its price. The build quality, adjustable features, and comfort level are comparable to much more expensive options. Considering that it's priced within the mid-range for massage tables, you're definitely getting your money's worth. If you're a professional looking for something reliable that doesn't break the bank, this table is a solid choice. Comparisons. Looking at other massage tables within a similar price range, many lack the adjustability and sturdiness that this one provides. Some cheaper alternatives have flimsy frames or limited positioning options, but the BestMassage Table stands out for its reinforced construction and multiple adjustability features. In terms of comfort, many competitors also skimp on the cushion density, but this table strikes a great balance. Build quality and longevity. The construction of the BestMassage Massage Table is well thought out. The reinforced metal frame, paired with the support cables, gives the table a robust foundation. The PU leather covering is not only soft, but also durable and easy to clean, making it a low-maintenance option for busy salons or professionals. Given its high weight capacity, I'd expect this table to last for years with proper care. Customer support. Though I didn't personally need to reach out to customer service for this product, the brand has a reputation for providing helpful and responsive support when issues arise. Whether you need assistance with assembly or have concerns about your purchase, you can expect decent customer service from Best Massage. Product alternatives. If you're on a tighter budget, there are cheaper options out there, but they often compromise on stability or cushioning. For those looking for a table with similar features, but at a lower cost, you might want to check out alternatives from brands like Go Plus or Best Choice products. However, these tables may not have the same level of sturdiness or adjustability. On the higher end, brands like Earthlight or Sierra Comfort offer even more premium options, but they can cost a lot more than the Best Massage Table. Final verdict. Overall, the BestMassage Multipurpose Massage Table delivers on its promises. It's comfortable, stable, and offers a lot of versatility with its adjustable features. Whether you're a professional looking for a reliable and affordable table, or someone who enjoys at-home massages, this table is a great choice. I definitely recommend it for those who need a sturdy and multifunctional massage bed that won't break the bank. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching today's review. You can find the link to purchase the BestMassage Multipurpose Massage Table in the comments or description box. If you've tried this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.